Hello, welcome back to course, and today we are going to learn Navigator Widget. Navigator Widget is a key to move a user from one screen to another screen. So this widget is a widget we needed to know because if you want to talk about navigation Flutter, you should really understand this Navigator Widget. Now there are some features I'm going to show you in the coming slide where I will explain more about this Navigator Widget, so as you may understand. So these are some of the features this Navigator Widget have. The first one, this Navigator Widget used to manage the navigation stack. So it's pushing the new route into the stack or popping a previous one off. So this is a widget mainly used for navigation in Flutter. So if you want to enhance navigation in Flutter, you need to know this Navigator Widget. This also responsible for managing screen changes while maintaining the history of the screens, so that user can move back through the screen if the app allows it. So it's also have the responsibility to maintain the history of all the screen that user can move back through the screen if the app allows it. Also, this Navigator Widget sometimes called route manager because it has the work of managing the route in your Flutter application. Conceptually, this is a stack of screens, so you can take as Navigator as a stack that is storing the screens. So here in screens I mean a page or even the view you see, you interact with, that is called a screen. Also, this Navigator Widget helps user to pass data to the new screen when change screen. So if user want to pass new data, let's say from a page, let's say from the login page to the home page, if the user want to pass the data from the login page to home page, it's a work of this Navigator Widget to facilitate the process. As I said, this is also a stack of screens, so the last element inserted is the first to be removed from the stack. So commonly referred as the first in, first out reference. So the last screen that is inserted to the stack is visible and is the first that can be removed. Okay, so let's say we navigate to the app. You see that is a login page. That is the last screen visible, and it should be the first one to be removed. So if you navigate to home page, that page will be removed. And you can go back to that page if you allow it from your app. So this also is one one element at the top of the stack, and the top most element on the stack is the currently visible screen on the app, as just explained. So Navigator Widget is one of the very important widgets if you want to know about navigations, and this widget is implicitly created by Flutter when you learn your application, as we will see in a coming video. And this widget is always there. You don't need to create it. but these are the features that will enhance you to perform navigations in your application. So Navigator widget is a key to moving a user from one screen to another screen, and this widget is implicitly created by Flutter at the moment you learn your applications. Till next time when you learn something else, bye bye.